good morning everyone. So I invite you all to the ERP meeting. Today our special guest Mr. Dr. Vikram Sir as Professor of Adithya Business School. So and I welcome all the business head, all the head departments, business head Mr. Navneet, technical head Kamakshi, ERP head Abarna, and other one the ERP venture. So our company StarCups is an American-based company. It's established in 1971. It settled and grew a global coffee house chain. It operates in 80 plus countries throughout the world. As its expansion, distributed system is poor investment, inventory management, and slow decision making. It led inefficiency and high cost. To overcome these challenges, StarCups lead implemented ERP systems. So the key inefficiency in our organization, operational complexity, managing thousands of the StarCups shops, it's very difficult, and disjointed system, finance, supply chain, HR, these kind of operation systems can be recorded by different systems. We have to implement a single system for them. An inventory problem. Poor inventory leads to a stock out. And slow decision making. Disconnecting system made assessing the real-time data. Difficult slow decision making process. Decision making. Disconnecting system made real-time data difficult to delay down the decision making. High operational cost. Manual process, outdated the system lead to increase the operational cost. Inventory, inconsistent data. The data disappear between the recognition cost to increase the report poor planning. So we need to implement an ERP system. We have to also implement the centralized system and additionally automation and real-time data inventory taking and faster decision making and inventory HR system, better work planning and fast order processing. So as a business head, Mr. Navneet, please share your findings.
Thank you, sir. I am going to present the reasons behind the implementation of SAP in our company. In department base, in supply chain and operation department, Starbucks operates in 80 plus countries all over the world. Sourcing coffee beans from multiple suppliers, managing this complex supply chain manually led to inefficiencies. In finance department, with thousands of stores worldwide, StarCups need a centralized financial system to track expenses, revenues, and profitability. Customer service and personalization. StarCups wanted to enhance customer experience by personalizing offers and rewards. HR and workforce management. With global workforce, StarCups needed efficient HR solutions for recruitment, payroll, and employee engagement. In marketing department, customer understanding, inadequate market research leading to weak customer segmentation. Digital transformation, slow adoption of digital marketing strategies. Brand differentiation, struggling to stand out in the competitive market. In sales department, lead conversion, high lead generation but low conversion rate. Customer relationship management, weak post-sale engagement and retention strategies. Sales and marketing alignment, lack of collaboration between sales and marketing teams. Technology and IT gaps. Digital integration, business lacking in adoption, automation and AI. Cybersecurity risk, weak data protection and compliance issues. Scalability issue, IT infrastructure that does not support business growth. That's
Okay, thank you, Mr. Navneet. As a technical head, Mr. Kamashi, please pursue your findings.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Before implementing SAP ERP, we are facing several challenges like infrastructure complexity. Managing IT infrastructure for thousands of stores globally was challenging. Lack of unified system, KSL system, incompatibilities and high maintenance costs. Second, disjointed IT systems. Different finance, HR and supply chain platforms operate in silos. Integration challenges lead to inconsistent data and manual work around. Then, poor inventory management due to system limitations, no real-time tracking leading to frequent stockouts and overstocking, and lack of centralized data management. Decision-making was finding by declared inconsistent and siloed data, no single source of truth, facing reporting errors and compliance risks, and high IT maintenance cost and inefficiencies, cyber securities and compliance risk. Last one, limited system automations and AI readiness. By implementing SAP ERP in startups, first one, unified IT systems for seamless integration across department, automated inventory tracking with real-time demand forecasting, enabled cloud-based scalable infrastructure for global operations, enhanced data securities and ensure regulatory compliance, reduced IT maintenance cost through process automations and efficiency. SAP ERP provides centralized data-driven technical foundation, allowing startups to scale effectively while operating IT operations. Then key objectives of startup implementation. First one, strategy and planning. First, identifying the gaps in the existing system and recommended the implementation of SAP ERP in different address those issues. They were responsible for addressing a strategic roadmap for phased rollout, ensuring minimal disruptions to ongoing operation during the transition. Then seamless integrations, unified POS, inventory, finance, HR and supply chain, IT infrastructure, ensuring the secure cloud-based architecture, operational optimization, leveraged BI tools and real-time analysis, enhanced customer experience, enabling mobile ordering and personalized marketing. Then conclusion, startup implementation of SAP ERP transformed it operational by integrating fragmented systems, leading to a 95% inventory accuracy, $30 million in annual IT cost savings and 60% revenue growth. This strategy moved enhanced operational efficiency and customer experience, amplifying the profound impact of a well-executed ERP systems. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The VIP head Abhirna, please share your findings.
In India, we plays a critical role in transforming startups' operations by restructuring inefficient processes before implementing SAP ERP system. We implement it through 7 steps, which includes the first one as beginning organizational changes. We organize the need for transformation due to gaps in supply chain, finance, HR, and customer engagement, and a dedicated transformation team was established to drive the change. Initiating by securing leadership support, aligning business goals and preparing employees for transformation. We also educate the shareholders about the long-term benefits of ERP to overcome resistance for the transformation. A bold $250 to $300 million ERP investment was announced to unify global operations. The challenge we have to face is the employee resistance and needs to ensure its workforce embraced ERP adoption. The second one, build the re-engineering organization. By creating a cross-functional team of experts from supply chain, IT, HR, finance and marketing, collaborating with the SAP consultants and technology partners to design the re-engineering roadmap. Also, IT and business units work together to integrate technical solutions into daily operations. Developing customized training framework for 2 lakh plus employees across different stores and departments. The third one, identifying repair opportunities. To analyze inefficiencies and identify critical areas for process improvement and pinpointed major inefficiencies like disconnected systems, POS, inventory, finance, HR and warehouse management were siloed, leading to inconsistent data. Supply chain inefficiencies, no real-time inventory tracking led to waste, shortages and logistical bottlenecks. Lack of standardization, store procedures varied across different geographies, causing operational chaos. Limited financial visibility. Without centralized financial analytics, startups struggled with cost control and forecasting. Slower expansion, disconnected IT systems made new store openings difficult. The fourth one, understand the existing process. By reviewing POS, procurement, warehouse, HR and finance workflows, and we find out that inventory accuracy was only 60 to 70%, which leads to frequent stockouts and overstock issues. There is an inconsistency in sale forecasting because supply chain decisions were reactive, not predictive. The manual financial reconciliation is poor due to the lack of real-time financial insights led to cost leakage, and there is fragmentation in HR processes because employee training and workforce planning lacked central coordination. The challenges is redesigning processes without disrupting daily operations. The fifth one, re-engineering the process. The redesign of inefficient process to improve productivity and accuracy. Our process design is unified ERP system, the SAP ERP integrated finance, HR, procurement, inventory and sales under one digital platform. Real-time inventory tracking, automated supply chain forecasting, boosting accuracy from 60 to 70% to 95%. Streamlined financial management, real-time analytics enabled cost control and profitability tracking. AI-driven customer insights, data-driven marketing enabled personalized promotions and mobile ordering features. The challenge that we have to face is managing the transition from manual process to automation. The sixth one, blueprint the new business system. To create a structured plan for implementation, we created a centralized database for real-time decision-making and process automation. The blueprint for implementation is as follows. First one, defines business objectives, that is aligning ERP goals with startup strategic priorities. Process mapping, document redesigned workflows for finance, HR, procurement and supply chain. Technology integration plan, establish data migration strategies and system integration protocols. Training and change management, develop training schedules and support systems for employees. Pilot implementation, test ERP system in select stores before full-scale rollout. Performance metrics, defines key performance indicators to track system inefficiencies. Custom improvement strategy, implement feedback loops for iterate enhancement. The seventh one, perform the transformation. We execute the new system and monitor improvements. The transformation impacts are $30 million saved annually in IT operation costs, 25% earning growth in 2011 post ERP, 16% revenue growth in 2011 to 19, fueled by streamlined operation. 10,000 plus new stores opened post ERP, accelerating global expansion. Stock price increased from $9 in 2008 to $90 in 2022. ERP enabled real-time sales forecasting, AI-driven personalization and mobile ordering system. The outcomes we got from this are enhanced efficiency in supply chain and operations, improved customer experience through data-driven personalization, cost saving by reducing and automating financial processes.
Thank you, sir. ERP venture, Shadab, please.
Main problems faced by startups before SAP ERP implementation. These are the 7 steps are included. First one, operational competency. Managing thousands of stores globally created significant operational challenges. The absence of a centralized system led to inefficiency in managing supply chains, store operation, and customer services. Second one, disjoint system. Starbucks used separate systems for finance, supply chain, and human resource, leading a data sets. Third one is in inventory management area to be included. Without real-time indication, startups and overstocking cases based on the cost of sale. Fourth one, slow decision making. A lack of consideration the database mode. It challenges to across real-time data. Decision makers struggled with outdated or incomplete information, delaying responsible for market challenges. Fifth one, inconsistent data. Different region and department maintain a separate records, leading to inconsistent and errors in reporting. SAP ERP ensuring data uniformly by considering all business functions into a single reliable system. Sixth one is high operational cost. Manual process and outdated technology increased labor cost and operational inefficiency. By automating process, SAP ERP reduce manual effort and minimizing errors and improve overall efficiency. Seventh one is scaling challenges. Extending legacy systems several to support startups rapid global expansions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you have any session for
nice presentation for you. This is the lacuna area or area to be improved. Normally that is SWOT analysis we made. Strength of the organization. weakness of the organization, maybe positively you can look after that area to be improved. Which area I wanted to improve? You suppose that is I don't have good handwriting skill. So this is the area I wanted to improve. Suppose I don't have communication skill. This is the area I wanted to improve, like that. Positively you can communicate. That may be the right factor for their stakeholders. Shareholders are investing money on your business. So if suppose you have given positively, that is they will get a good image about your organization. Likewise, strength and weakness is going to be an internal strength and internal weakness. The other one is the external environmental factors may be called as opportunities and threats. You cannot knock that particular opportunity. That opportunity will come to you. You are not inviting that. Automatically it will come to you. That is a positively it may be focused. And then challenges is also going to be an uncontrollable environmental factor. Challenges. For example, suppose you enter into that particular perfect competition market. What kind of unique characteristics of your business? You cannot avoid that particular competitors in perfect competition market. Large number of sellers, large number of buyers are going to be in the market. If one person is going to enter into that particular field, you cannot avoid it. So that is called what you cannot invite, you cannot ban them. So that is an uncontrollable environmental factor. It is going to be a challenging factor for you. The external environmental factor like challenges, opportunities, challenges on the uncontrollable environmental factor. SWOT or strength, weakness, internal. Namalala improve on. That's all. Likewise you can.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So our conclusion we have to say ERP implementation will be a turn of the strategy.
Turnaround strategy.
Turnaround strategy.
If your organization
turnaround strategies to optimize operations and the technology will be
technological interventions.
Intervention strategy to enhance.
Technological intervention in the sense what I think you know very well that is in banking sector. Technology may be the important factor to decide the business. Earlier, that is, I think you know very well, between 10 to 2 only working hours of the bank. When the technology has been intervened into the banking business, work